So let me show you quickly how you could set your chess.com board to any color you want. Now, before we get started, this channel is dedicated to take you from beginner to intermediate to advanced to master level. So this is not the kind of videos that we make, but many of you asked, so I wanted to help you out. Basically, what you want to do is you want to find any image, any background that you want to use from the internet. Like you could go to a website like this one. This is onsplash.com, and you could find free images for you to use, right? So let's say you want to use any of these images that I downloaded, then you're going to go to your chess.com account, and under settings, you're going to go to themes, right? And then here you could choose the pieces, the board, the sounds, and then where it says background, you're going to go to where it says custom upload. And then you're going to upload the image that you want to use, right? So I'm going to use this one, for example. Now it should, you give it a few seconds, it's going to change.